Oh, there's a blooper for you. Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to watch. Let's just start over. Like rowing into the sternum, you're gonna love it. So, one red spring. Ugh. Edit that, please. Whew. It's so fucking cold. Whew. It's freezing in here. It's so cold. I want to do crab with you here on the mat. So good. We're also going to go over a couple preps that you can do with the crab. I didn't leave a time to put the commercial in, so we're just going to start over. Okay, rocking on the spine corrector. This is actually a really good place to practice your rocking. I will get the words correct. Stay with me. Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing the standing press down crossover. That's not it. Let me start over. Oh, that was it. I'm losing my mind. This is video 50. Okay. Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing airplane. No, I don't want to do that. Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing leg springs here on the Cadillac. I'm gonna do the full leg spring series for you. I didn't give her time. I feel pressure. I feel like I'm being watched.
Today we're doing rowing 3 and 4 here on the window chair. This isn't a window chair, and you would never do that on a window chair. Strike that.
You can always do your reformer classes with me online at onlinepilатesclasses.com. Thank you so much. See, they're so hard. I'm out of breath and I'm forgetting my words. But I love you and I think you're awesome, and I will see you soon.